To get at what these asylum seekers face and the impact here in Canada, I spoke earlier to Bashir in Winnipeg, an immigration lawyer who was representing 17 asylum seekers, including some of those we saw earlier. So, Mr. Khan, tell me, what is the story? Why are they seeking asylum? What have they been through?
Well, they've been through hell, basically. 17 of these asylum seekers are from Ghana, a country in West Africa. And I will just tell you the story of 8 of them. 8 of them are homosexual. They're gay. It's a crime to be gay in Ghana. It's a criminal offense. And they've been hounded because of the homosexuality. They've been nearly murdered. And they escaped Ghana just with the clothes on their back. In the U.S., they were imprisoned in United States immigration detention between a 9 to 22-month period. They had their refugee claims heard while in detention. There was no lawyer available for them. There was no legal aid. They weren't able to make long-distance calls so as to be able to gather evidence that they may need. And, of course, they were denied. And when they were denied, they were then paroled into society pending their deportation. And then they realized the U.S. justice system failed them, and there was a great white north. There's Canada, the true, north, strong, and free. And they decided to go to Minneapolis, and there are 200,000 Somali Americans, and they learned about Canada, and then they came through an open prairie field across the 49 parallel from the North Dakota, Manitoba.
And a few of them almost died, right?
Yes, a few of them almost died. In fact, 2 of my clients, Saidu and Razak, they both lost their hands. One of them has a thumb, but they've lost their hands.
I just want to get this right. The Safe Third Country Agreement means that if they had gone through an official post at the border, that they would have been turned back, that's why they risked their lives running through these frozen fields, because of that agreement.
That is absolutely correct, and it's an inhuman agreement, it's unjust, it's unfair, and it's putting people's lives at risk.
So when the first few asylum seekers arrived through those frozen fields, they were really welcomed with open arms. Now that there's been so many, there's some pushback. People in the town going, we're not sure we can handle this. Are you concerned about where things may be going?
No, I'm not, because I think that is a very minority opinion. The Canadian farmer is very hospitable. They are the first Canadians that these asylum seekers see, and they are nothing but hospitable, polite, and respectful towards them, and they are great ambassadors for Canada. So the Manitoban farmer has a great amount of respect in my heart.
But sounds like you want some changes from the government on the Safe Country Agreement.
Right. I mean, look, who is to blame for Saidu and Razak losing their hands? It is we, the Canadian people. We have done this to him.
Bashir Khan, thank you very much for your point of view tonight.
Thank you.